Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl Tei Jae. I'm back in the building with another video, and we do have a bomb curly hair ginger wig. So this is what she looks like straight out of the package. No customizations, y'all. The hairline is impeccable. I'm completely obsessed. So this is the overall view of the hair. This is a 13x4 lace. She's 22 inches. I hot combed the hairline so you guys can see it. Y'all, look at that. That is freaking flawless. All right, guys, so I have the wig on my head, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like after I did my own customizations to it. If you are a beginner, sis, let me tell you, if you go back and run the last clip back, you'll see that you do not need to do any customizations, y'all. That hairline was freaking flawless. I don't care what nobody said. Okay, but now I'm just hot combing the hairline. I did add some of my bedhead wax stick to it before I hot combed it this time. So now we're just going in to cut off the excess lace. I know it's HD because it's super thin. I believe it's transparent as well, but I'm not sure if it has like a slight tint to it. I did decide to add some tint underneath the lace just to help it blend a little bit better. Like I said, I'm not sure if it had like a tint to it already or not. Now I'm going in with my 𝙤𝚘𝚕𝚕𝚘𝚠 lace spray, and we're going to go ahead and adhere our wig down. This is not glue at all. It's hairspray, and it can be easily removed with water. Okay, just want to clear that up. But anyway, I'm going to spray 1 to 2 layers, and I'm going to place it above my hairline. Now I'm going in with my dryer to let the spray get a little bit tacky. Once it's tacky, I am going to lay it down. And I would just definitely say make sure your blow dryer is always on a cool heating setting. If it's on hot, it's going to dry too fast and it's going to turn white. And nobody wants to actually hairline, okay? So I'm just using my comb to reinforce it to make sure everything is blended into my forehead. For the sides, I would definitely recommend you go in with additional 2 to 3 layers. I always had problems with it lifting if I just use 1 light layer. So I make sure to double up on the layers when it comes to the sides of my head. So I found these elastic bands on Amazon, and I have not stopped using it ever since. It has the Velcro on the back, so you can just adhere it down. I love these things, y'all. I feel like it just melts my lace even more. I'm just going in for a quick detangling before I do my baby hairs. I wanted to see how thick the hair gets. I did get a little bit of shedding during this process as well. This was my first time at detangling the hair since I did go in and pluck it myself. So the color, y'all. All right, anyway, y'all, I'm done. I didn't want to bore y'all with that part, but anyway, we're gonna take off this elastic band so you guys can see how good. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. But I don't know, y'all, I gotta fix my lighting because I'm telling you, me looking in my mirror, the little line of demarcation that I can see, I don't see it in person. Like, you can't clock me on person, but you probably can kind of clock me on camera. But, we're just going to try to make it work. So I'm doing my baby hairs, and I'm using my flat iron to help guide me create my swoops. If you do struggle with making your own baby hairs, try a mini flat iron and curling underneath. I'm telling you, it's going to change the game. It's a lifesaver, and it's going to make your swooping easier than you freehanding it. Baby hairs are optional, especially with colored units. I really feel like you can't see them anyway, but y'all already know I always gotta do my baby hairs. All right, guys, so now we're going in with our curly hair routine. I'm just using some foam wrap lotion, or is that mousse? I don't know, y'all, but I will have it linked down below. When I want a poofy, full, I don't know, y'all, when I want that big hair look, I always go and opt in for my foam wrap lotion because it just gets the job done. It doesn't really it defines the curls, but it also allows it to have more volume as well. If you guys want to save product, just add a little bit of water, y'all. I probably almost used half this bottle doing this whole head. So that is what I'm doing throughout the entire unit today. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of the hair. This hair color, y'all, I'm obsessed, okay? That's an A+ in my book. Did I experience shedding? Yes. When I went into fully detangling it for the first time, I did get shedding. Also, during my curly hair routine, I got a little bit of shedding, as well. As tangling, I did experience a few tangles here and there for the first time detangling the hair. This color is super pretty, okay? I love the color. And y'all know it, since it's a colored unit, it does not bleed. Y'all look at my hands, it's not bleeding. I would recommend co-washing this unit because I just felt like this hair just needed a little bit of moisture. So this is what the hair looks like, y'all. It is super, super pretty, y'all. So I wasn't sure whether I wanted to have a side part or a middle part, so I just opted in for the middle part. I felt like it was more classier, and I don't know, it was just suiting how I was feeling that day. So like I said, y'all, I love this type of curl. I believe it's a Jerry curl. Don't hold me if I'm lying, but I swear to you it's a Jerry curl, and I love it, okay? This was my exact vision I was going for. The poofiness, the volume, y'all, everything about this unit is just a freaking amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Check the description section for all information in regards to this hair and products I use. And until next time, your girl, see you later. So that's impressive.